Good evening, everyone. Thanks a lot for staying with Republic TV. You're watching The Big Story with me, Shivani Gupta. We're getting some breaking news right now regarding the petition that has been filed by Sachin Pilot and his faction. The petition filed by Sachin Pilot has challenged the validity of Section 2(1)(a) of the 10th schedule of the Constitution, which gives powers to the Speaker to disqualify a member of the House who has voluntarily given up his membership in a political party. So this is a big update coming in. The very section's validity is being questioned right now. At the same time, there is also, of course, the challenge to the governor issuing these notices in the first place. The Speaker, in fact, issuing these notices in the first place because there are sections of the Sachin Pilot camp that are also claiming that they haven't really left the party, and they have also not expressed any desire to leave the party. But the more important update that we're getting right now is that the petition challenges the validity of the Section 2(1)(a) of the 10th schedule of the Constitution. In other words, the powers of the Speaker to disqualify a member of the House who has voluntarily given up his membership in a political party have been questioned. Now, this is rather big. My colleague, our legal correspondent, Nalini Sharma, is also joining us right now. So, Nalini, what is the exact contention here? They're challenging the constitutional validity of this section itself, the powers of the Speaker, or are they saying that even if they were to voluntarily leave the party, they cannot be disqualified? Nalini, can you hear me? We'll go across to my colleague Nalini in just a bit, but the petition is clearly challenging the validity of the section that allows the Speaker to disqualify a member of the House who has voluntarily given up his membership in a political party. Now, this, of course, points to the fact that, one, Sachin Pilot and his faction could very well be leaving the Congress party, but they want to maintain their MLA-ship. Let's go across to my colleague Nalini now. Nalini, what more do you make of the petition that has been filed? Are the very constitutional validity of these sections being challenged now?
Shivani, the reason why this is so interesting is because this is probably the first time that the constitutional validity of Section 2(1)(a) is actually being challenged before a court of law. Earlier, the entire 10th schedule that deals with the disqualification powers of the Speaker has come before the spotlight, before a Supreme Court. But this particular section, which allows the Speaker to disqualify any member of the House if he voluntarily quits the party, is probably the first time that this specific section is being challenged. And we are also given to understand that it is for this reason why the counsel for Sachin Pilot, which was Harish Salve, had asked for the petition to be amended, because he wanted to challenge this particular section so that the matter could be heard by a division bench of the Rajasthan High Court as against a single judge bench, because any matters pertaining to the Constitution or the validity of any particular law only come up before a two-judge bench of the High Court. And that is exactly why they had sought some time to amend this petition to add this particular ground where they are challenging the constitutionality of Section 2(1)(a) of the 10th schedule. And once the amended petition was filed, the single judge bench of Satish Chandra Sharma has referred the matter now to a division bench. We're given to understand that the hearing will happen today itself. Today in the evening is when a two-judge bench of the Rajasthan High Court is going to be taking up this matter for hearing. We will await for more updates from the Rajasthan High Court, because right now we're waiting for the Chief Justice to formulate this bench, the two judges bench that is going to be hearing this petition today.
All right. So this case now in front of the Rajasthan High Court could have actually larger implications outside of what has happened in the Rajasthan Congress unit. Nalini, thanks a lot for joining us for the meantime.